Hi everyone, it's Rozalia Russian and I'm here with David Jones to talk all things summer glow. I'm going to show you a few of my favourite products that I like to use to fake that summer glow. One of the fake tans that I've been using that I have been absolutely obsessed with is this Loving Tan, and it's a 2-hour express because who's got time to wait for their tan to develop? So I like to use the shade medium, and at the beginning of summer obviously we're all a little bit paler, so I start off with the medium shade. And then as summer progresses, I then move on to the dark shade. That's how it comes out. And using a tanning mitt, I'll apply that all over my body. I leave it for 2 hours, then I jump in the shower and voila, I come out all nice and tanned. In order to make sure that your tan lasts, it is so important to keep your skin and your body moisturized. One of my favorite products that I like to use is this Cora Organic Noni Glow Body Oil. I'll just apply a little bit on my hand so you can have a look. I will moisturize with this oil morning and night after I've showered. Definitely helps, keeps my tan longer, and it also gives my body that beautiful summer glow. Another product that I'm absolutely obsessed with is this Tom Ford Soulmate Blanc. It is a shimmering body oil. It actually smells like summer. And it's got a beautiful shimmer through it. Apply a little bit here, and I just rub that in everywhere. In summer, we're always got that beautiful summer glow, and a way that I like to achieve that is by using this Fluid Shear Giorgio Armani product. And I apply this underneath my foundation, and I just find it gives me the most beautiful glow. I'll apply a little bit to the back of my hand so you can have a look. And I don't know if you can see that. And as I said, I just apply it all over my face, and then I'll pop on my foundation on top of that. I then like to use this palette. It is Sun Trio Terracotta Palette. So one there. And that is such a great natural bronzer. It looks so natural on my skin, and I just apply it underneath my cheekbones. Pretty much like in a 3 motion. That's where I like to apply my bronzer. A little tip that I like as well is to apply a little bit as eyeshadow, because in summer I don't really like to wear that much makeup, so I just apply a little bit in my eyes to make them pop. The next thing that I like to use to fake my summer glow is this, it says a bit of a liquid, and I apply some down my nose, on the top of my lips. I then do a little bit on my cheek, under my brow, and then on top of my brow as well. And that's pretty much all that I like to use on my face. They are a few of my products that I like to use leading into summer to give me that beautiful summer glow. And remember, all these products are available at David Jones.